Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today we are going to do an experiment. An experiment name is Bubble Bubble. So let's start the experiment. So for this you require a shampoo, a straw and a bowl filled up with water. So first of all, fill the bowl full of water. Then pour the shampoo into the water. Now mix it well with the help of straw. So you can see I mix very well and the water become white. You can use any type of shampoo or hand wash. Now start making bubble bubble. Now with the help of hand, you can take the foam out. Make some more bubbles. Now I'm going to try making big bubble in the bowl only. We'll make a bubble here. So you can see I made 2 bubbles. So I'm going to try to make a big bubble. Here you can see I make a big bubble. Trying to make big in this only. So that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and try this experiment at home.